your boats? Let's count your boats. Can you count them? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yay! Can you count them again? Here. Let's show Dada how many boats you have. All right, show me how many boats do you have? Count these for me. You're showing off. Can you tell me how many boats do you have?
James, how many boats do you have? So I'm done with that trick.
All right, how many? Will you count your boats for Mama? Here.
Not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Now that I got the camera, he's not gonna do
Well, you
it.
did it. You had it on once.
Yeah, it wasn't a good one.
Is that still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop and let's try again.